In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a drop-down mega menu in Wix website tutorial. Start by signing in to your Wix account and heading to My Sites in your account dashboard. From there, choose the site you want to work on and click Select and Edit Site to open the Wix Editor. Give the editor a second to load. Once you're in, we'll work right inside the site header where your main navigation lives. Click your site menu to open its settings. In the menu options, choose Add Menu Item, then select Dropdown. This creates a parent menu item that will hold your mega menu. Rename this item to something that makes sense for your site. Think clear labels like Services, Products, or Resources. Keeping names short and descriptive helps visitors scan quickly. Next, switch that dropdown into a mega menu. In the dropdown settings, click the option labeled Mega Dropdown. This expands the dropdown into a wider panel that can display multiple links in a structured layout, which is perfect when you have lots of categories or featured pages. Now, let's create the pages your mega menu will link to. Open the Pages panel, click New Page, choose Blank Page, and repeat until you have at least 4 pages. Name each page clearly so you can recognize it at a glance. Short names keep the menu tidy and prevent wrapping in the design. With those pages ready, go back to your site menu structure. Drag each new page underneath the mega dropdown parent to nest it as a submenu item. Place them in the order you want users to see. If you're planning sections, like categories versus featured links, group them logically as you drag so the layout feels intentional. As you work, click each item to confirm it's linked to the correct page and that the label matches the page name. Consistency here makes navigation feel polished. Time to test it. Click Preview in the top right and hover over your new mega menu. Check that the panel opens smoothly, the items appear where you expect, and every link works. If anything feels crowded, adjust the wording or order back in the editor and preview again. A quick pass now saves your visitors from confusion later. When you're happy with how everything looks and behaves, click Publish to save and push your changes live. That's it. A clean, organized mega drop-down menu in Wix that helps your visitors find what they need fast.